So I've got a busy day today and life is taken over and I've not got time to do a software review video, so I'm just going to show you a competition that you should enter, all right? Because, well, why not? AppSumo, I promote a lot of their deals, offers and softwares, and they're doing a massive, they always do big things on Black Friday. This year is no exception. They are doing a massive Black Friday promotion. It's a competition and you can win some great stuff. So phils.deals/win. I've set it up. The link is in the description. It'll take you straight to this page. And here, phils.deals/win, I've set it so it takes you straight through to their Black Friday competition, which is pretty impressive what you can win. So, he's the boss of Black Friday. You can enter by doing all of these things, you know, subscribe to their channel, and mine as well. Facebook and Instagram, obviously they're doing it as a promotion, but the prizes are pretty incredible. I'm just practicing this new Zoom on my screen recording software, and I'm not doing it very well. Hang on. We'll leave all this in, I just want to show you. How do you do this? Oh, I was practicing this ages. No, I want to zoom in there. Hang on. I'm going to get there now and zoom in the right blooming place. No, I'm not. Scroll down. I've not got time to edit this either. Anyway, hopefully you won't hold it against me. Just look at these prizes. This video's going straight up. Evernote. These aren't typical lifetime deal softwares that AppSumo promote. That's what they do, AppSumo. You know, it's certain software that you normally would only pay once for rather than paying a monthly for. But it's not normally well-known software, I'll be dead honest with you. It's up-and-coming software, which is why companies want to promote it. But through the Black Friday deal, you could get Evernote, a lifetime subscription, DropBox, a lifetime subscription. I mean, these, just imagine if you had DropBox, and it'll be a good plan with them, you know, what that will be worth. They reckon £65,000 worth of prizes given away. Notion lifetime subscription, Zapier lifetime subscription. Zapier, I was looking into it, it's automating tasks. It's not cheap. And the final one, the big one in the middle, is that the boss of AppSumo is called Noah. He has got an Airbnb, it's in Texas, and you could win a weekend for life to go and stay in his Airbnb. So, they're also giving away T-shirts, goodies, all of the stuff, and it all adds up to $65,000. So, what have you got to lose there? It's the AppSumo's Golden Taco giveaway. Annoyingly, I made a TikTok video about it yesterday, and for some reason, it got removed for violations. God knows why. But anyway, have a look. You'll find it phils.deals/win, and it'll take you to that page. If not, it's a bit hard to find it. And yeah, I've not got time to make anything else now. This is getting straight uploaded. Do like it if you like it. Do comment below and tell me you've entered. And good luck. Listen, be in it to win it. I hope you win something. See you soon.